Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you laptop how to enable touchpad. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right into the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to enable touchpad on your laptop, the first method that you can use is using Windows settings. To do it, simply head over and press Windows plus I. That will open up your Windows settings, or simply press Windows button and type in settings on the search bar, and that will open Windows settings as well. Now once you're inside Windows settings, what you need to do is select Bluetooth and devices on the left hand side of the menu, and then once you're inside Bluetooth and devices, what you need to do is scroll down until you find the touchpad option right here. Then click on it. Once you're inside your touchpad, here you'll find the touchpad option, and in order to enable it, simply toggle it on, and that will enable the touchpad. The next method is using the keyboard shortcut. On your keyboard, many laptops have a function key to enable or disable the touchpad. For a key with a touchpad icon, usually F6, F7 or F9 depending on your laptop model, simply press the function key and that will disable or enable the touchpad once you toggle it. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.